What's going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon, and you are watching Crypto Review Central. I provide daily cryptocurrency videos that cover a wide range of topics. If it's happening in the cryptocurrency space, you can find it right here at Crypto Review Central. There's been a ton of information recently. We have a new crypto mom in Hester Pierce, and there's a lot of discussion on this Bitcoin ETF proposal by the CBOE, with the Winklevoss's ETF proposal being denied last week amid a flurry of speculation and causing Bitcoin to fall below the $8,000 support level that it had previously established. We have set a new low in the last 24 hours at $7,500, and the market cap is at $268 billion, which is about exactly $30 billion lower than where it was when Bitcoin was above $8,000. We have a few articles trending today, starting with Coinbase users in the United Kingdom can now buy Bitcoin with British pounds. Until now, users have had to use euros, which resulted in several days for transaction and foreign exchange fees. Coinbase has released a lot of news lately, discussing the addition of 5 new assets in conjunction with their confirmed addition of Ethereum Classic. We've also covered all of that news extensively on this channel, and Coinbase reportedly has been working hard over the last few months to add Great British Pound support for Coinbase customers across several of their product offerings in the United Kingdom. They've obtained an e-money license for their fiat operations from the Financial Conduct Authority that adds support for their faster payment scheme, and is now the first cryptocurrency platform to obtain a bank account with a major UK bank. This will obviously benefit all UK customers, enabling almost immediate transactions. This is essential for Coinbase Pro and Coinbase Prime users in particular, who will now be able to transfer funds quickly. Coinbase is continuing their dominance in the cryptocurrency space, and it will be exciting to see them continue to bring innovation to this space. Also, we have CNBC's Crypto, which has been pumping out a ton of content and valuable content, recently interviewing Hester Pierce. Also interviewed Bart Smith, who is the head of digital assets at Susquehanna, and said that Bitcoin needs higher highs and higher lows. According to him, 6,800 is probably the bottom for Bitcoin, and that value needs to go higher to give the cryptocurrency space a bigger upward bounce. A lot of traders, according to him, see 6,800 as something Bitcoin needs to break through. We have higher highs and lower lows, and we need to break out of that. You look forward to a new Bitcoin ETF coming out, and there's a lot of enthusiasm. The price goes all the way up to 8,400. The ETF gets rejected, and it goes down again. And personally, I think it's of value to note that was only one ETF, and that ETF was largely expected to be denied, as the CBOE, backed by SolidX and Van Eyck ETF that is currently under review by the SEC, addresses a lot of problems in the Winklevoss ETF that was just denied. However, this recent rejection has contributed to Bitcoin falling below $8,000. For Brian Kelly, as well as for me, and I say this all the time on this channel, 2018 could be a very exciting time for Bitcoin and the entire markets. The emergence of robust custodial tools for cryptocurrency are probably 4 to 6 months away. He says that we are in an environment where there's a lot of regulation. I'm not sure if he means traditional markets, because there's seemingly not a lot of regulation in cryptocurrency, although it is well on its way. And Brian Kelly says this is the best opportunity to get something new through. Strike while the iron is hot. You have to remember, Bitcoin can move 5% on any given day. So while it may seem crazy to the legacy market, in the Bitcoin world, this is just a normal correction. Bitcoin is trading at $7,500, and we are really waiting to see what's going to happen. With such a drop in market cap and Bitcoin dominance remaining above 48%, it is anyone's guess right now what's going to happen in this space. Also, there's some FUD. Of course, Cryptodaily is reporting on some misinformation. It seems like they are constantly the only one reporting all of this misinformation, apparently calling Tron's founder Justin Sun the original Satoshi Nakamoto. And it references this Daily Hodl article that says Satoshi Nakamoto was interested in BitTorrent, which also references emails back in 2008 talking about pure peer-to-peer networks like Nutella and Tor seem to be holding their own. Hundreds of millions of BitTorrent users across the globe will become part of the Tron ecosystem. And in Bitcoin's white paper, Nakamoto further outlined the need for truly decentralized platforms that cut out the middleman, which is part of the philosophical backbone that exists in Bitcoin. I think obviously calling Justin's son Satoshi Nakamoto is a large stretch, as I don't even think he's really that old. And obviously on CryptoPanic, it's gotten 16 downvotes, 5 cautions, and 1 toxic, with 25 dislikes. It's really a stretch and of course is misinformation and just spreading FOMO and trying to reach for another sensational article. They apparently aren't saying that Justin Sun is Nakamoto, despite the title of the article suggesting so, but it's an interesting way to highlight how Nakamoto discussed a BitTorrent integration early on. Why couldn't you just do it the same way the Daily Hodl did, talking about how Nakamoto was interested in peer-to-peer networks like BitTorrent and how Justin Sun could be fulfilling some of Nakamoto's vision for what Bitcoin could be. Sun probably didn't invent Bitcoin. I always call him Justin Sun, but I believe the proper pronunciation is Sun, so I will continue to try to correct myself on that. But imagine if he did. I think this is kind of ridiculous and shouldn't be taken seriously at all, and it really hurts the integrity of Crypto Daily, which they are quite good at doing. Nevertheless, there still remains a ton of hope for what the rest of 2018 has, and continue to follow us here at Crypto Review Central as I keep myself up to date and bring you guys along for the ride. Continue to follow our daily content on this evolving space. I provide daily analysis on all of the trending topics, so if it's happening in this space, you can be sure to find it right here. And smash that like button if you enjoy these videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you once again to the CRC crew for your continued support. This bear market might just be over. Do all of your own research, and happy trading, everyone.